Hey friends! High-quality spark plugs are vital for engine health, boosting fuel efficiency and ensuring your car starts smoothly every single time. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car spark plug in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the compact car spark plug. Specifically tailored for heavy-duty GM engines like the Silverado and Suburban, these plugs utilize advanced, hot melt, technology for superior airtightness. The Iridium center electrode provides a much stronger ignition channel than traditional platinum, leading to better cold starts and refined engine responsiveness. By optimizing the fuel-air mixture's charge accumulation, these plugs help you save money at the pump while reducing harmful emissions. They feature excellent oxidation resistance, which prevents the electrode from wearing down prematurely even under extreme heat and high-pressure conditions. With their plug-and-play simplicity and a solid 12-month warranty, they are a high-performance solution for restoring power to your American truck or SUV. Choosing these ensures that your ignition system operates at peak levels throughout the year for better reliability. Next up, our second product, the A Premium Car Spark Plug. Combining an Iridium center electrode with a platinum core, these advanced plugs are built for incredible thermal conductivity and wear resistance. They are extensively compatible with modern Kia, Hyundai, and Honda models, offering a perfect fit that enhances engine combustion efficiency immediately. With a precise 0.044-inch gap, these components are designed to deliver a hotter, more consistent spark across high-traffic driving conditions. Mechanics recommend these for drivers reaching the 100,000-mile mark who need to restore their vehicle's factory-level performance and throttle response. They offer a durable and cost-effective ignition solution that helps extend the total lifespan of your engine while maximizing gas mileage. This ensures your vehicle stays reliable on the road regardless of the season or driving style. Coming in at number 3, the ACT-Delco Car Spark Plug. As the official original equipment for GM vehicles, these Iridium plugs are validated by factory engineers to meet rigorous performance standards. They feature a unique 3-piece suppressor seal that prevents combustion leakage and protects your sensitive onboard electronics from radio frequency interference. You can expect a much steadier idle and smoother acceleration, as these plugs are designed to mimic your vehicle's factory settings. The high-strength Iridium construction offers exceptional resistance to the erosive effects of engine heat, ensuring your gap remains consistent over time. It is the most dependable choice for Cadillac or GMC owners who refuse to compromise on quality and want original factory reliability. Using these components provides the specific spark energy needed to keep your modern engine running efficiently for countless miles. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the NGK Car Spark Plug. This specific 4-pack of BKR5E11 plugs is a legendary choice for anyone wanting precision engineering and unmatched ignition consistency. As a globally trusted brand, these plugs are crafted to minimize engine misfires while noticeably improving your vehicle's overall acceleration and fuel economy. The installation process is exceptionally straightforward since they serve as direct OEM replacements for a vast array of engines. By maintaining a stable idle and efficient combustion, these plugs significantly reduce the stress on your starting system. They are an affordable yet highly reliable maintenance upgrade that keeps your vehicle running like new for many miles to come. These components are essential for maintaining peak performance and avoiding costly repairs. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Bosch Car Spark Plug. These double Iridium plugs represent the peak of German engineering, featuring both an Iridium pin and a ground electrode inlay. This innovative construction allows for a lifespan up to 4 times longer than basic copper alternatives, making them a set-and-forget upgrade. They are pre-gapped at the factory for a hassle-free install and utilize a 360-degree laser-welded wire for maximum structural integrity. You'll notice smoother starts thanks to a 24% reduction in voltage requirements, which puts significantly less strain on your car's battery and starter. Their corrosion-resistant threads eliminate the need for anti-seize, providing a cleaner and much faster installation experience for any DIY mechanic. This makes them a superior choice for modern engines requiring precision and long-term durability under pressure. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.